Hey everyone, it's Jeremy. In this short video, I want to show you how to control the file widget. Now this widget is a fast and easy way to get a download button on your website, and that download button is just going to point to any file that you want, whether it's a study guide or a prayer list, something like that. Maybe it's a missionary prayer letter, something like that that you just want to give site visitors access to quickly. And so it's found here in the widget section, and it just looks like this. Once you've placed that on your site, it becomes a button just like this, and you can give the button any type of a name, any type of text title. This particular one points to a prayer list, and so to update this prayer list, I'm going to click here on the button, and you'll see the file that it currently points to right here, and you're just going to click Change File, and that's going to show you the current file or documents that are stored on your website, and you're going to click here to upload a new file. So we're going to choose a file from our computer, this one right here. So this is going to be a new PDF, and I'm going to click Upload, and once that is done, it should appear in the list like with the other three. And so quick tip, if you click in the upper right, you can choose the list view. And once you get a lot of files in here, this is going to be a lot easier to navigate through. But now I just want to I want to choose the new file for that button to point to. So I'm going to click right here on this one. And that's about it. Now you see that the download button is pointed to the new file, and I can just close that. And so then I'll just need to republish it, click here in the top right, and then that new file will be live with this button. So hopefully that is helpful to you. If you have any questions or I can help in any way, please reach out. Support@spirelate.com. Have a great day.